Hi, welcome back to another tree tutorial. My name is LimeeFox, and today we're going to learn how to make another tree, this time a tree from the spruce family, also known as pinus. Now, there is something you must know. There are many different types of spruce trees out there, and some of them can look quite different from one another. The tree I'll be building today is inspired by the Scots pine, also known as Pinus sylvestris, which I had the chance to see in the north, around the Baltic Sea, but not only. I've also seen some in Central Europe. But anyway, why are trees so important? Trees are often one of the most important aspects of terrain or build. It can totally change the looks and the feelings that a build gives you, so better be a well-done tree, not a bad one. Let's get to it. To build the trunk, I'll be using a placeholder that I will later replace with 6-sided logs, but it isn't necessary. If you want to use the tree multiple times, I would like to suggest building it above ground, so that you can work on its roots as well. The wool line beside the tree is just there to show you where my ground level will be. Now, the time has come for branches. For this tree design, I use spruce tears and slabs, so that they match the oak bark color. I'm trying to make all the branches going a bit upwards. Notice how the stair branches are 4 blocks in length at the bottom end and the middle, and how they are reduced to only 3 in the top quarter of the tree. Use the slabs not only for straight branches, but also for off-axis branches. Then you can add fence gates on the sides for extra detail. As usual, the hardest part is of course the leaves. You need to place the leaves like so, as if there were flat plates on the end of the branches, with 1 or 2 or maximally maybe 3 leaves on top. After around 15 minutes, we finally reached the top. The top of the tree shouldn't be too difficult to make. Just make sure there aren't any weird holes you're uncomfortable with. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope this tutorial helped you. Give it a like to support it, and share it with other fellow builders so that everyone builds as epic as me. If you've got any questions or doubts, feel free to ask in the comments down below, or privately through Discord. The links for my various social media will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to be aware of the latest videos and tutorials, and if you have any tutorials requests, please tell me. I'm not sure what you guys need to be taught. Bye bye, and see you soon.